Vybz Kartel, real name Adidja Palmer, just got some major news. Remember his conviction for the murder of his associate back in 2014? Well, hold onto your seats because the UK Privy Council just flipped the script. Yep, you heard it right. The Privy Council ruled that attempts to sway the trial jury with bribes made Kartel's conviction unsafe. It's like something straight out of a thrilling courtroom drama. But wait, there's more drama to unfold. Kartel, who's been behind bars since 2011, isn't necessarily getting his ticket to freedom just yet. The Privy Council sent the case back to the Jamaica Court of Appeal to decide if Kartel and his crew will face a retrial. Now, here's where things get juicy. Can you believe the trial judge allowed a juror accused of bribing others to stay on the jury? Talk about a plot twist. Judge David-Lloyd-Jones wasn't having any of it, though. He said this decision was fatal to the safety of the convictions. Ouch. But what do you think, viewers? Should Vybz Kartel and his crew get a retrial, or is it time for them to finally face the music? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.